next destination is Sayram Lake. The weather, however, is not on our side, but the view is still breathtaking, especially for a person who's been stuck in a city for almost half a year. I pulled over by the lake and brought out my Mamiya7. Since we're already here, I guess I'll just have to take my chances. The light is flat and the place is packed. I guess for the time being, it's more fun to watch other people taking photographs than taking photographs myself. I approached the crowd and guess what I saw? Yes, swans, and I hope swans are signs for good things that are coming. Well, I guess my wish just came true. Not only did I find something worth shooting for, but the sun also came out. And everything just instantly becomes more colorful and attractive. Well, I only managed to take 2 photos when I'm at the lake, and I honestly think the view on our way here worth much more of my time and effort. We're going to take a long boardwalk down and up the hill, and since I'm much more of a mountain guy, I guess I'll enjoy it way more than I did by the lake. The serenity here is a much more welcoming factor, and the atmosphere in the forest is just what I've been dreamed for before I came here. Now, let's see what's on the other side of the mountain. Wow, so many sheep. It'll be a crime if I don't take a few photos of them. Well, I guess that'll wrap up for the day. It didn't start out too well, but the nature gradually presented to us. Now it's time to go. And I swear to you, if they keep following me back home, they won't end up on my dinner table. Okay, alright, so this is actually the place we're living tonight. We've got a really cool fire pit here. And the background noise you're hearing is actually a movie that's being played. And there's some kids sitting around in the fire pit here. Look at this. Isn't this super cool? Alright, so I've managed to find a place to sit here, which is really quite nice. I'm just gonna sit tight and enjoy my movie. I'll see you soon.